IBM newsletter reader. 2016 is a key year for Binergy. This is a year in which policy will drive the future of the Binergy markets. I will mention two examples. I will mention the sustainability file and I will mention the heating and cooling file. So for sustainability, the Commission launched a consultation ending on 10th of May, and I invite you to answer this consultation. IBM with its working group is favorable to comprehensive sustainability policy. Why? Because we need stability for the investors, what they don't have in the last years. We need to harmonize the rules for the different member states. And finally, we need to answer the questions of the public and give confidence that Binergy is really a good option for the future. For the heating and cooling, this is also 50% of the market, the most important market for Binergy. The Commission launched a strategy in February, and the Parliament is working on an initiative report that will be published in September. And unfortunately, we have several worries about this report, this coming report. So we need, according to IBM, to renovate the buildings and change the old appliances. We need the minimum renewables in the new building stocks. And finally, we also need to address the medium scale market. And for this, you have the opportunity, in fact, to attend two events. One of them, the 11th and 12th of May, on the pellets in the medium scale market, organized by EIPS, one of our network. And I invite you also for the 15th of June to an event during the Sustainability Week, where we will address how to make EU #1 in the renewable heating and cooling. As you see, 2016 is a key year, and several companies have understood that and joined us as member. I can mention Fortum, Veolia, Dalkia, Stora Enso, Granulita, LC Energy, and others. So if you are not member of IBM yet, don't panic. Contact us anytime. Last but not least, I would like to tell you also that we need to communicate more about the benefits of Binergy. I will take the example of Lithuania, for example, where gas prices are one of the highest in Europe due to the Gazprom inflexibility and predatory position. So they have, for example, trebled the importance of Binergy in the district heating sector, coming up to more than 60% of biomass in that sector. And last, what is also more astonishing is the fact that in the Binergy sector, the salaries are 50% higher compared to the other sectors in Lithuania. So that's a very good examples to follow by other countries. Thank you for watching.